Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Iconic Coach here, presenting this beautiful 2003 Porsche 911 Carrera. This is a outstanding condition, as you can see from the paint, all of the wheels, the wheel barrels clean, calipers. This car is 2003, 6-speed manual, low miles. I just put brand new tires on this car, all four. Interior is in amazing shape. You will not find a cleaner 911 out there. Bose sound. If you look at the seats, they look brand new. All the stitching, surfaces. The center console, 6-speed manual transmission, stereo, all of the buttons, excellent shape. Dashboard, non-smoking car, no strange pet odors. 18-inch wheels with the Porsche color crest, Porsche stability management, Bose sound, black leather, power seat package. It's got the xenon lights, flared rocker panels. Driver's side, equally as impressive. Door sills. Driver's seat, excellent shape. Sunroof. Steering wheel, as you can see, very nice. 31,216 miles currently on the car. We'll start it up for you real quick. Headlights, crystal clear. Just go towards the back so you can hear it a little better. If you notice, all of these taillights are in excellent shape. Common issue on 911s, they crack. But beautiful car. Don't miss out on this one. Definitely something to keep for long term. We've actually had this car in our inventory for a few years now. We didn't have it up for sale, but finally decided to let it go. You will see a minor damage reported on the Carfax report. That happened on our lot. We just had some little small damage that was done. I think the windshield was broken on it, but it's obviously fixed. Looks amazing. But if you're looking for a low mileage, clean, manual transmission 911, these are going up daily in price. Don't miss out on this one. You won't find a cleaner one. You can reach us at 858-382-1319. The video and images on our website, iconicoach.com. We can help facilitate the sale of this car and transport all over the country. As well, this would be an excellent candidate for paint protection film and ceramic coating to keep it looking outstanding as it is. Thank you so much for watching. Don't wait too long.